So we've been stuck behind this rolling roadblock for a couple miles now, and noticed at the last couple lights that the guy on the left would take off quicker before the guy on the right would catch up to make the perfect rolling roadblock. So this time I was planning on getting through that gap while it was still there.
I was speeding that bad.
Really? What were you speeding at?
It said 60. It's 50 here. My speedometer's off, so I think I was going like 53.
Fuck. Do you have all your stuff?
Yeah.
Tell him you were just going 53.
Let's see, I'll get my license out.
I didn't even see him. He's gonna fucking write us a fat one.
Let's see, my license out.
Tell him I have it. Yes. Here he is.
How you doing?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
So you know I have a carry permit. I'm not carrying.
Just don't grab. You're not carrying?
No, sir.
Okay, just don't grab or anything like that.
Yeah, I got nothing.
Registration, insurance.
Yeah, I have
Have you re-registered your vehicle? Your tags are expired.
Yeah, I just passed. So what happened was my car was in Portland for months getting a new engine swapped out because I blew up the motor, and I just got it back. Immediately went through DEQ and I got it back. It was in time, but I'm just waiting for my tags right now.
Okay. But you already went ahead and did it online?
And I have a piece of paper back here showing I did.
No, that's okay. If you did it online, it will show me.
Okay, cool. So, yeah, I totally did.
Okay.
I don't know if I did it online. I drove in there and did it.
Okay.
Like, okay.
And that should show.
And then let's say I want insurance.
Insurance and registration. So obviously, driving like that, you leave me no choice. So everybody's gonna say, "Why the hell aren't you stopping that guy?" Right?
Taking off at the stop.
Well, passing that guy, taking off. I was doing like 60 something to catch you.
Let's see.
Okay. You have your registration?
Do you have a registration?
Yes, I do have it. Oh, yeah, it's right here. I keep it right. All my stuff right here.
Good.
Perfect. All right, just sit tight, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I should have my mail.
registration shows good.
Okay.
I'm just going to give you a warning, but it is logged and documented, so if something like that were to happen again, you would get a ticket.
I'm getting a reputation around town.
All right, drive safe, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.